Hey guys, I will show you how to fix game crashing problem on a PS5. In the first step, we need to simply go to the settings and then just go down to save data and game app settings. Now just select the game presets. On the right side, we need to choose the performance mode from here. Now just go back and then from the captures and broadcast, select the captures, and on the right side we need to simply disable the auto upload option, and from the trophies we need to select none for the save trophy screenshots, and again for the save trophy videos select none. It's a really important step to fix this issue. Once done, just go back and again go to the settings. Now simply go down to users and accounts, select other options and choose restore licenses. Select restore. This will gonna take around 4 to 5 seconds to complete the process. Once done, just go back and then again select the settings and now go down to system, select the system software. On the right side, choose the system software update and settings and select the update system software. Now update the system software using your internet. Select these and select on update. Now restart your PS5 and your problem will be fixed. That's it guys, you're good to go.